Alright, welcome back to this series where I drive a selected horsepower car and make it drift in the Toge track in Forza Horizon 6. Last video I did the CT4V Blackwing, the current car that's being showed right now, um, which is a lot slower than the 500 horsepower car. Both of these were very close to the max it could be. So, let's get the wheel and names out. And let's see what horsepower we get for this very 700 horsepower. That's pretty good. Damn. That can work, and it will. So, let's go to Auto Show. Now, I'm getting used to what the buttons are, finally. We want rear wheel drive, because I don't want to be doing any silly work. So we're looking for 700 horsepower. It's going to be kind of hard to find a car with like 700 horsepower that can drift. 300 horsepower, I'm telling you, it's going to be peak, bro. 700 horsepower is a very niche market that car makers have. That's very close, but not close enough. See that too, man. 650, there we go. 600 and 500 probably would be best. I'm waiting for something to be cool at 700 horsepower. That'd be cool. Okay, I can't use. I'm not gonna use those. Can't actually. I don't want to drop. I don't want to drift a Dodge Viper. Please no. Oh God. Okay, SRT Hellcat, bro. Oh God. That would be kind of peak though. Ooh, I think I'd rather do the Charger. I don't like Ferrari. This is a harder one. Oh yes, GT500. Okay, we're either going GT500 or the Charger. I think I might go with the GT500 more. Okay, not that obviously too easy. Okay, GT500 still. Come on. Is there not something? Okay. We might actually have a problem. We're getting to the end of this lineup, and well, actually, it's a GT500. I was about to say we don't have anything, but GT500 is there. Cancel the Charger. I'm not drifting. Okay, still GT500. That's close. Come on, man. What is happening? No. I'm spending $4 million though. That'd be cool if it was maybe cheaper. Yo, if we get 4 horsepower, bro, I swear. If I have to drift a Porsche, I'm going to actually flip out, bro. I swear. Ooh. Okay, well, I don't have that. Right, GT500 it is. That's my paddle shifts, if you're wondering. GT500 Mustang. So we can actually do an exhaust and possibly a turbo. Not sure. Should we stick with red? Which I feel like we should move on from red. But red. Ugh. Okay, I'm going with the red. I'm going with the red. The metallic red is fire. Why is it more? I get it. GT500. This is probably the most. This is the most expensive car that we've done so far out of 3 cars. So, not much cars to select from. Upgrades and tuning, custom upgrade. Alright, let's see what this thing sounds like. Okay. Okay, I like that sound. Can we add a turbo? That's not gonna work. I think it'll definitely drift. It's 700 horsepower. Obviously, it'll drift. But we need to put different brakes on. I like the sound of it. Lower that boy to the ground. I don't even think we need to do this because it's 700 horsepower. Should be fine. Forza Aero again. No, I'm not going to do that. Alright. Okay. Let's pick some wheels. You'll see that I'm always picking the same option for style of wheels. It's because it's my favorite, and you guys can't tell me what to do. That looks really nice. That actually looks really good. Yeah, we'll put those to the max because they're so angled. And those to the max too. Alright, we should be done. Done. Install parts. We're at 783, which is perfect. Definitely not doing a turbo because that would make it probably. What would that make it? 800 something, which would be too much. If we get to 1,000, having to buy something that's 1,000 horsepower is going to be interesting. Should I just say? I reckon that's gonna be hard. It is nighttime, so we can't see the tire smoke, but that's fine. I'm sure it is. Oh, 4th. We're getting up into 4th and drifting. It's gonna be at night. This is not gonna be fun, bro. This is gonna be mental. Let's see top speed. It does actually. Handles quite good with your suspension on even. Oh, that's my own error. That's not the car. Ooh. Okay. So it is a boat. It drifts like a boat. Oh. It does not drift well. I can tell you that now. It does not drift well. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, alright. It is boatish. It really is. Okay, that's really fun. Just spinning it out. Okay, that guy's in quite a nice car. Okay. No, that was actually really cool. Extreme save. This drifts precisely well compared to what a normal Mustang drifts like. And I think we all know what we're talking about. What I'm talking about. Okay, we're doing really well. This might be the... You know, I was about to say this might be the best one yet. And then that happened. Whee! Sorry, truck. Okay, that kind of sucked. I think going up will be easier. I just need to pop it into third. That was really good. Wait, we didn't even do the rollback. Hang on. It spins and forth. That's amazing. I think this is really stable in second. I can predict its movements really well. Like, precisely well. Okay. That was not good, but it gets better. We'll get better. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Third. Oh my goodness, that was peak. Oh. Oh yes. Oh my word. Oh my. Oh. No, yes, saved it. Saved it. Oh, why do I always go so inside there? Whoa! Drift tap. I've never seen that one before. Alright, we should be able to do third around here. Okay, so that might have been the easiest one. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Gee, you know, it's free. Like if you like this content. Oh yeah. Like if you want this content to continue. Comment down your thoughts on this series. See you on the next video with the next car. Yeah.